Looking for the best digital multimeter in 2026 for electronics, automotive, or home use? Wrench, with hundreds of options available worldwide, choosing the right multimeter can be confusing. Backhand index pointing right. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best digital multimeters of 2026, selected for accuracy, safety rating, durability, and value for money. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Whether you're in the USA, UK, Canada, Europe, or Asia, these multimeters are trusted by professionals around the world. Test tube, perfect for electricians, technicians, engineers, students, and DIY users. Hourglass not done before you buy from the affiliate links in the description. White heavy checkmark, watch till the end because number 1 is the most accurate and reliable multimeter this year. Thumbs up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more tool reviews. High voltage, let's get started. At number 5. MASTFUYI Digital Multimeter, 6000 count true RMS. AC, DC 2000V, 28, temperature measurement, professional electrical testing. The MASTFUYI Digital Multimeter is a high-precision, professional-grade testing tool designed for electricians, engineers, technicians, and advanced DIY users worldwide. With 6000 count resolution, true RMS accuracy, and support for high voltage and high current measurement, it is ideal for demanding applications such as photovoltaic systems, mining equipment, and industrial electrical work. Small blue diamond key features. 6000 count high resolution display. Delivers clear, accurate readings for precise diagnostics. True RMS measurement. Ensures accurate results for both AC and DC signals, including nonlinear waveforms. Wide measurement range. Voltage, AC-DC up to 2000 V. Current, up to 20 A. Suitable for industrial, solar, and heavy-duty electrical systems. Temperature measurement function. Supports temperature testing for equipment diagnostics and maintenance. Multifunction testing. Measures voltage, current, resistance, continuity, diode, capacitance, and more. Large backlit digital screen. Easy-to-read display for low-light and outdoor environments. Durable and safety-focused design. Built with overload protection and safety features for professional use. Portable and ergonomic. Compact design with comfortable grip for field and bench work. At number 4. UNI-T UT89XD/UT89X True RMS Digital Multimeter. Professional electrical tester, NCV, temperature, capacitance, diode, and transistor test. The UNI-T UT89XD/UT89X Digital Multimeter is a professional-grade true RMS electrical testing tool designed for electricians, engineers, technicians, and advanced DIY users worldwide. With high accuracy, advanced safety features, and wide measurement functions, it is ideal for industrial, commercial, and field applications. Small blue diamond key features. True RMS measurement. Provides accurate readings for AC, DC voltage and current, including nonlinear waveforms. NCV, non-contact voltage detection. Safely detect live voltage without direct contact, ideal for quick safety checks. Wide measurement functions. Measures AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, continuity, and diode. Temperature measurement support. Allows temperature testing for electrical equipment and system diagnostics. Triode, transistor, testing. Built-in function for semiconductor and electronics analysis. High-resolution digital display. Clear and easy-to-read screen with backlight for low-light environments. Durable and safety-focused design. Designed with overload protection and professional safety standards. Ergonomic and portable. Compact body with comfortable grip for field and workshop use. At number 3. UNI-T UT61B+/UT61D+/UT61E+ Smart Professional Digital Multimeter. True RMS auto range, 6000 counts, AC, DC 1000 V, high precision measurement. The UNI-T UT61 series digital multimeters are smart, professional-grade true RMS testers designed for electricians, engineers, technicians, and advanced DIY users worldwide. With high accuracy, auto-ranging operation, and 6000 count resolution, these meters deliver reliable performance for laboratory, industrial, and field applications. Small blue diamond key features. True RMS measurement. Accurate AC-DC readings even for nonlinear and distorted waveforms. 6000 count high-resolution display. Provides precise and stable measurements with clear readability. Wide voltage range, up to 1000 VAC DC. Suitable for industrial, commercial, and residential electrical systems. Auto and manual range selection. Smart auto range for convenience with manual control when needed. Smart measurement functions. Measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, continuity, and diode. Fast response and stable readings. Ideal for troubleshooting and accurate diagnostics. Large backlit display. Easy to read in low-light environments. Professional safety design. Built with overload protection and safety standards for reliable operation. At number 2. UNI-T UT89X/UT89XD True RMS Digital Multimeter. Professional electrical tester NCV temperature, capacitance, diode, and transistor test. The UNI-T UT89X/UT89XD Digital Multimeter is a professional-grade true RMS testing instrument designed for electricians, engineers, technicians, and advanced DIY users worldwide. With high accuracy, non-contact voltage detection, and multifunction measurement, it is ideal for industrial, commercial, and field electrical work. Small blue diamond key features. True RMS measurement. Accurately measures AC, DC voltage and current, even with complex or distorted waveforms. NCV non-contact voltage detection. Quickly identify live wires without direct contact, improving safety during inspections. Wide measurement functions. Supports voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, continuity, and diode testing. Temperature measurement. Enables temperature testing for electrical systems and equipment diagnostics. Triode, transistor, testing. Built-in semiconductor test function for electronics repair and analysis. High-visibility digital display. Clear backlit screen ensures easy reading in dark or outdoor environments. Durable and safety-focused design. Designed with overload protection and professional electrical safety standards. Portable and ergonomic. Comfortable grip and compact size for field work and workshop use. At number 1. UNI-T UT191E/UT191T Professional Digital Multimeter. True RMS AC DC voltage and current capacitor and resistor tester industrial grade. The UNI-T UT191E and UT191T digital multimeters are industrial grade, professional true RMS test instruments designed for electricians, engineers, technicians, and industrial maintenance professionals worldwide. Built for high-energy electrical environments, these meters deliver accuracy, safety, and durability for demanding field and laboratory work. Small blue diamond key features. True RMS measurement. Accurate readings for AC and DC voltage/current, even with distorted or nonlinear waveforms. Wide electrical measurement capability. Measures ACV, DCV, ACA, DCA, resistance, capacitance, continuity, and diode. Industrial-grade safety design. Engineered to withstand harsh working conditions with advanced protection for high-voltage systems. High-resolution digital display. Large, clear screen ensures easy reading in low-light and outdoor environments. Stable and accurate performance. Designed for reliable measurements in power distribution, industrial control, and heavy electrical systems. Durable construction. Rugged housing for long-term professional and industrial use. Portable and ergonomic. Comfortable grip for extended field operation.